take this car out front of my property here on the country roads, and I want to do a little bit of like part throttle logging to try to get the throttle response a little better. I've been doing a little bit of messing around with the shut up on me. A little bit messing around with the fuel table and a little bit of the enrichments too. So like the acceleration enrichment, which is like down low. I was having a little trouble at the track getting on the trans brake. So what was happening was as I was tipping in on the throttle position sensor off of 0, it was stumbling on me a little bit, which in turn takes a little longer for you to get into that range where it starts to build boost. So I want to try and work on that. It's not going to be any really heavy rips or anything like that, just kind of like part throttle, log it, and then see what it's doing. So I'll put you guys on the GoPro in the back and just cruise around a little bit. Okay, so the adjustments I made actually prior to going on that little cruise right there actually helped a lot. What I did was, let me see if I can find my glasses here. I pretty much can't see these days without glasses, so yeah. So what we did was, like before I even took this out, I went into the enrichments and the acceleration enrichments right here, and this table here, the DTPS table, I really didn't know what that was, and I actually had this curve going the wrong way. So what this is the speed at which you press the throttle down. So the speed at which the TPS goes up. Okay, and the faster you hit the gas, meaning, you know, like if you stab the gas really quickly, you're gonna want more enrichment. Okay, well I had it the opposite because I wasn't sure how this table worked. Okay, this table kind of was confusing me just a little bit. I wasn't sure, so I had it going this direction, and that was the opposite of what I needed. So I flipped that, and now you know, I'm able to stab the throttle, and it wasn't really hesitating like it was before. So you know, I do expect a little bit of hesitation. You know, running E85, you're a lot of fuel, so I'm not too concerned about that. It was just getting up on the trans brake which was bothering me. And as you saw, I did a little trans brake pull there for a second, and I was able to hold the throttle down, and it didn't skip a beat. It just rose really, you know, nice and smoothly. So yeah, that's pretty much all I wanted to do on this video. It was pretty cool cruising around. This thing cruises at, you know, whatever, 180 degrees Fahrenheit, and no issues whatsoever. I just went ahead and logged everything on that little cruise. So maybe later on tonight I'll go and look at it and see if, but I mean, I was kind of keeping an eye on the AFRs, and the AFRs looked really good. I mean, it was staying right on point and without any issues. So anyway, I hope you guys like this little cruise video. I know it's not that exciting, but these are some of the things I do actually in my, you know, before I go to the track. I'll go out here and you know, try to work on one little thing and just try and improve it in the because there's so much you can do. Okay, there's so much you can do with this that you really have to take it one step at a time and, you know, dig into it, you know, Google things and see what they mean. There's a lot of terminology in this table here that I don't really understand. You know, so, it's hard to explain it, but there's a lot of terminology in there that, you know, you're gonna want to kind of Google and all that. But anyway, hope you guys enjoy this video, this little cruise ride along, and I will check y'all later.